People who say money is totally unimportant are trying to deceive you. Or themselves. Deep down, many of us dream of becoming rich, believing that's how we can stop worrying about money forever. And here's what you're doing wrong. 1. You're not working for yourself. Of course, there's no guarantee that if you become your own boss, you'll make a lot of money right away. But working for someone else greatly reduces the likelihood of making a million. Try to remember at least a few positions with such a salary. But you shouldn't quit your job tomorrow to start a business. Instead, try to combine your current labor with entrepreneurial activity and slowly move towards the latter. This way, you'll give yourself financial security and a chance to start your own business. You avoid risks. People don't become millionaires without taking risks. But that doesn't mean you need to invest all your money in one project or foolishly spend your profits. Taking reasonable risks is standard in investing money properly. No one gets rich from interest earned at the bank. Millionaires know the best way to invest money. You're not utilizing your ideas. No one is saying that you have million-dollar ideas every day, but you'll have to try a bunch of failed options to realize the right idea. Dreams will not lead you to riches, which is not the case with actions. Millionaires don't sit around all day and watch others succeed in life. Instead, they take action and arrive at their goals. You spend your money unwisely. In today's world, any average person can become a millionaire. Smart investing and clear goals can help anyone make a profit when they finish working. But if you mismanage your money, you are unlikely to become a millionaire. Set an initial budget. Set goals and deadlines. This will help you maintain and grow your savings. You are not clear enough about your goals. People who can't set the right goal will never make much money. That's why correct and clearly defined goals are the key to success. Choose the right benchmarks. Achieve your goals. This will help you find out if you are using your money correctly, if you are buying the right things. If you save money with a clear goal in mind, it will be much easier for you not to be tempted to spend it on other things. You are not investing enough time, effort, and energy. No one made $1 million by watching TV or lying in bed for 12 hours at a time. Becoming rich is a very hard task. Unless you are a lucky person who won the lottery or received an inheritance. Millionaires consider time and energy as resources. They realize that they will not get immediate results, but they are willing to wait for the fruits of that investment. Try to use every free minute to achieve your goal. You are not socializing with the right people. You will not become successful by spending your time with lazy people who are not interested in investing money, effort, and energy properly. However, if you surround yourself with energetic and successful people, you will change for the better yourself. Develop relationships with those who have made it in life. Look for people who can become your mentors and teach you about investing, financial literacy, and creating your own business. Communicating with those who share your goals will help you become a successful person. So let's summarize. At the end of your journey to $1 million, it's important to remember that success is not just about the numbers in your bank account. Don't forget that giving up instant gratification for long-term goals can be difficult, but that's what sets successful people apart from the rest. Your future is a direct result of your actions today. Start now, and who knows? Maybe the next video you watch will be about how to manage your first $1 million. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching.